Hi, my name is Maha Moses. I have chosen the topic to discuss substance abuse and its effect on family health, how it overall impacts patients as well as their family. The website that I have decided to show is the Oasis website. This is for the Office of Addiction Services and Support in New York State. Oasis regulates criteria and treatment for those who are currently struggling with substance abuse in multiple levels of treatment. The website is oasas.ny.gov. When we educate patients and families on, obtaining the best resources online, we'd like to make sure that they are able to access the most reputable as well as the most up-to-date information. Again, this is a government website, a New York State government website, and it focuses on treatment and substance abuse and providing those resources to family members as well as those who are currently struggling with substance abuse. There are subcategories listed here: prevention, treatment, recovery, getting involved, as well as providers, where you can locate clinical support, professional credentialing, professional training, as well as program certification. There is a hotline listed. It's a 24/7 Hope line that they can either text or call, as well as a number that they can contact with any questions or concerns. Scrolling down here, prescription drug and opiate overdose death prevention. There's a lot more information when clicking this tab that family members can use to just know a little bit more about the prevention, the medication, and things that they can use to really help. There's information as well as down here, if you scroll to upcoming events, there are as well as get the facts and get help, knowing warning signs and how to get help, things for, again, family members and substance abuse patients who are currently looking for any additional information and services. The main tab that I wanted to go over was just what's listed here, some warning signs for substance abuse. In this section, they list things like physical signs, things like physical appearance, small pupils, decreased respiratory rate, drowsiness, etc. There are also behavior signs tablets that can be viewed, advanced signs so that way family members can just know and how to acknowledge, as well as become more aware of signs and symptoms to look for with their loved ones and how to best help them. And then there's also what's related. So things like opiate heroin, synthetic cannabis, warning signs, alcohol, and etc. Going back, again, there's also paying for treatment, different types of options for paying for treatment. There are Medicaid as well as Medicare. There are sliding scales, insurance rights and protections, denied claims and what to do further, behavioral health assistance and resources, etc. So this just kind of gives an overview on the different types of information that family members can obtain as well. Things like patient rights and advocacy, support services, and then specific any substances that they require any assistance to. Another nice tab that's up here that I wanted to kind of review really quickly was just treatment wise. There are different types of treatments. So this specifically will explain the different levels. You have inpatient detox, you have, residential programs. There are many crisis services that are also available. And this kind of just goes over to the different types of treatments that would be available and how to meet those criterias and if they would fit and what would the next steps kind of be. There's recovery housing as well. And, other than getting involved in the public and getting out the world, there's also clinics that are being supported that can show providers that are currently participating, who currently have X licenses, who can prescribe things like Suboxone or Subutex, who are able to treat someone with a form of substance abuse, etc. As mentioned before, this resource would really help families and benefit, those who are currently struggling with substance abuse in obtaining any information that they may need at the level of care that they would require, and just gives them an overall look. This is a great resource for nurses as well, and anyone in the healthcare professional to just know how to access this information. Substance abuse is an epidemic, and it's been a struggle for many of our patients, and they're everywhere. And so the best way to help and support them as well as their family to really just know where they can access the best information as well as resources and help. And I really think that this website, since it is regulated by OASIS and supported by New York State, that this would be the best website to contact and obtain information that's needed to help.